Hi, I'm Darci of Darci Decorates, and today's tip, turntables. This is a professional turntable. It has a very heavy base, and the top is metal, heavy metal too. So they go together like this. It just spins on it, and it rotates. I've had this turntable for a really long time. I used it in my How to Cake Decorate DVD that we shot. I just love it. It really is worth the investment because it's very sturdy and will last you a very long time. So let me give you a tip on how to make your turntable spin better. Take it apart and grab your cooking spray, your non-stick cookie spray. You can use Pam or any other. This is olive oil, and you literally just spray it. Now I would use those food, because they're food-based, not an oil-based that's not for consumption, because you are around food and you just never know. And you just spin it. And what you want is it to really just keep spinning. It's not hung up, it's gonna go for a very long time. Still going, and going, and going. Ugh. Is it gonna stop? It might be stopping. No, it's still going. It's still going. I haven't touched it. And there it goes, it's going. That is what you want in a spin. It's gonna stop. Stopped. There you go. If you need to wash your turntable and you get this wet, make sure you dry it, sit it out, let it air dry, because it can possibly rust. And also I would advise putting the spray on before you put it away. These are my professional turntable tips. I'm Darci of Darci Decorates. Thanks for watching.